You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, this name actually, once and for all. So there are at least two very significant famous people with this surname from French. The French pronunciation is Beauvoir, Beauvoir, Beauvoir. In English you could say it as Beauvoir. So you got Simone de Beauvoir and Jean-Guy Beauvoir. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.